forecast said it was a chance of some kind of precipitation, most likely snow, probably turning to rain at some point. So I took a break from construction what I'm doing, we're getting towards the season where there's more likely to be more precipitation. So this pile up here of dirt and rock that I'd gotten out of the hole for digging, some of that is going up on the uphill side of my slope here as a small berm. This will catch some of the surface water flow to deflect it around the pit. The berm will continue a little further that way, but not too far. I'm not concerned about it following the slope, the contour of the hill, because it's going to be pretty well planted on the uphill side where the water will be caught and slowed to absorb. That's where I'll plant a lot of stuff. And I may do another berm a little bit further up, following roughly the same line as this one, just further up. And a little bit up from there, it's a naturally rocky area anyway. I'd considered doing a stone berm up there, but there's so many rocks there close that are going to be breaking up the surface flow. I don't think I'll need it. So just two berms along here, but also there's still going to be a berm here. I'm not going to be using all of this material, so it'll basically be 3 berms stopping the flow of water into the pit right there. I've had several people ask me with concerns about keeping water out of the hole. So this is going to be the main part of that. Coming over to here, the berms will end roughly here. Here's the end of that one, and here's how far I've gotten over with this one. This area over here will be heavily planted to stop and have the ground absorb for the plants to be taking up all of the moisture that's deflected. And as you can see, I'm getting a little bit of precipitation in the form of snow. Haven't seen snow for quite a while here. It's kind of nice to see. But yeah, we're getting towards the wetter time of year now. One of the wetter times of year. So figured it would be a good time to start with some of the surface water deflection. Okay. Till next time, be happy.